you love Justin Bieber.
Part
Honk if
2.
you love Justin Bieber. Honk! Honk!
Come on.
Woo! Honk!
I don't like that girl.
She said her horn didn't work. Don't worry, Justin Bieber.
We still love you.
Justin, you found the best honk. This orange car came along, but too bad we paused the freaking fire because of you, Natalie. And they honked like 10 times, like, beep, 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 like 10 times. Honk if you love Justin Bieber! Honk! Oh, too sad. Oh my god, the sky is blue light. The sky is blue light. Yes! I love you! Wow! Alright, it'd be too much.
No cars inside.
Oh, I found one.
Alright.
Justin Bieber, a whole lot of people love you out there, and who gives a shit whoever calls you ugly and a fag and all that, don't worry, we still love you. So, if you're looking for, anyone to, come to us and hook us up, yeah, because, yeah. Isn't that right, Natalie?
That's right. Yeah. That douchebag over there
Is her unrelated brother.
I don't know, this is some random dude on the street, I guess.
My honk doesn't work, that's stupid. Honk! Honk.
No.
JB, we still love you, mate. We love you a long time. Now we love traffic jam up there. Let's go down there. I love Justin Bieber. Love you, mate.
Who is this dude talking to us? I don't know who the hell he is.
Freaking hell, he's freaking drunk or something. Oh, yeah. Honk.
You see these people? They can shove it up.
Yeah, they're poo bums. Another person sticking up there. Are you serious? I just want to freaking smash into these cars and bash the shit out of all these people. Honk! Okay. That girl gone bad. You know that person that took their roof and got it up just before?
Yeah.
I'm going to stop that car and oh! Honk if you love Justin Bieber! Yay! Hey! They don't speak English. They don't speak English either. That is just a sad story. Justin, this is all for you, okay?
Show us some beans.
I'm gonna shove that sign up your freaking backside.
Who are you? Can you please leave us alone? You freaking stalker?